5 high-paying side hustles you can start today with no experience. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Ash Cash Stash. Today, we're diving into the world of side hustles. You know, those little extra gigs that can bring some extra serious cash. And the best part? You don't need any fancy degrees or years of experience. Let's get into it. Side hustle number 1, virtual assistant. Ever dreamed of being a digital superhero, saving people from the dreaded inbox? Well, as a virtual assistant, you can do just that. You'll be the go-to person for all sorts of tasks, scheduling meetings, managing emails, and even posting on social media. It's like being a real-life superhero, but without a cape. Being a virtual assistant or VA is one of the highest paid works online. Thus, some people abuse and lowball it. This is also one of the most popular jobs online. To be a virtual assistant, you must have strong organizational skills, attention to detail, and basic computer proficiency. There are many websites to look for a VA job, and some of the legit ones are Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Just be vigilant, for there are also scammers posting VA jobs everywhere. Side hustle number 2, online tutoring. So, you're a whiz at math or a language guru? Well, why not share your knowledge and make some extra cash? As an online tutor, you can help students from all over the world. Just make sure you have a strong internet connection and a lot of patience. You should also have subject matter expertise and effective communication skills. Where to apply? Check the sites like TutorMe, Schooly, and VIP Kid. Side hustle number 3, social media wizard. Do you live and breathe social media? Well, why not turn your passion into profit? As a social media manager, you'll be creating engaging content, scheduling posts, and analyzing metrics. It's like being a party planner for brands, but without the stress of balloons. Check out Upwork, Fiverr, and social media platforms directly to find the company or client you can apply to and share your social media magic. Before we move on to the next hustle, it's time to join the Subscribe Squad. Like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified and stay tuned for awesome content. Don't forget to share this video too, for it might help people who needs it. Let's continue the journey. Side hustle number 4, freelance writer. Got a knack for words? Well, why not put your pen to paper, or rather, your fingers to the keyboard? As a freelance writer, you can write blog posts, articles, and even website copy. Just remember, grammar is your superpower, combined with research skills. Where to find this job? Go on and check Upwork, Fiverr, and freelance writing websites. Side hustle number 5, delivery driver. Want to get paid to drive around? Well, as a delivery driver, you can do just that. Whether you're delivering food, groceries, or packages, you'll be on the move and making money. Just make sure you have a good sense of direction and a love for traffic. But of course, you must first have valid driver's license, reliable vehicle, and good time management skills. Try and visit DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart. So, there you have it. 5 side hustle ideas to get you started. But how do you start really? First, Start small and begin with a few clients or projects to build your portfolio and experience. Next, create a network to connect with other freelancers and potential clients on social media and professional networking platforms. You also have to market yourself and create a strong online presence and actively promote your services. Then, continue to learn and stay updated on industry trends and new skills to remain competitive. And lastly, time management, which is crucial to balancing your side hustle with your day job or other commitments. Alright, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ash Cash Stash for more awesome content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to building a successful side hustle. With hard work and perseverance, you can turn your side hustle into a full-time career. And don't forget to have fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.